Let's do this fix, I'll show you how. Turn off the underfloor isolation valves. The red one and the blue one by themselves. Shut the water off, make it stop. Isolate the pump from top to bottom. Check the manifold, the pressure's at zero. No more water here to drain. You're a hero, this house has no radiators, you see, so it's a simple drain. Luckily, use a wet vac, get the last little bit. Suck the excess water, don't you quit. Unclip the electric, set the power free. Press that little tab, it's easy, you see. Pull the power cord straight out of the slot. The pump is now dead, just as you thought. Get your wrench now, loosen up the nuts. Crack the top and bottom pump unions. A little water spills, that's okay. Lift the old pump out and up and away. Yeah, it's the new pump, shiny in the box. Take it out and check it, it's the one that rocks. We've got to listen to my flow. The pump must always push to the flow. The red one, not to the return. Oh no, 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 yo, time to install. Do the top union first. It gives you room to move, so it's not the worst. Get the new washers in their place. Hand tighten the top, win the race. Now the bottom, slip the washer in, lift the pump and spin it. Let's begin. Hand tight the bottom, get it snug. Then grab your grips and give a tug. Tighten up the top, tighten up the base. The new pump is locked right in its place. Yo, clip the electrics back into the port. Push it till it clicks a good report. The pump is powered, it's ready to go. Now let's get that water back and flow. Go back to the boiler, open flow and return. Turn the little screws, let the water churn. Watch the boiler pressure gauge, it's on the rise. Filling up the system right before your eyes. Back at the manifold, open up the valves. Open the red one, open the blue one by halves. Let the water fill the pump all the way. We're almost ready for a brand new day. Top off the boiler, use the filling loop. Get the pressure in the green, that's the scoop. Close the loop when you are done. This heating job is almost won. Bleed the air from the manifold's caps. Turn on the heat, set the temperature, make it sweet. Call for heat and wake the pump from sleep. Let's see the new one, let's take a peep. The pump is on, the green light is bright. It's working now with all its might. It's set to auto, but let's select, find the underfloor mode. To be correct, there's the icon. Set the speed to 2, it's running quiet, shiny and new. Feel the pipes, they're getting hot. The water's flowing, see what we got. The pump is silent, smooth and keen. The best repair you've ever seen. One final test, just to be sure. A screwdriver to the motor to ensure. Feel that hum, a steady spin. The pump, the impeller.
And it's nice and quiet. And just to test it, to make sure it is working, what we can do is this, just the Phillips in there, and just push it in. There we go.